First, before attempting a back limber, you should already be able to do a bridge.
Someone told me, gotta move on.
Once you have done a bridge, practice falling backwards into it. If you're scared to fall into it, start by falling down onto a wall and then eventually making your way further down the wall until you're able to fall back all the way to the ground.
Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love.
Next, go into a bridge and place your legs up on a wall. Then push your legs off the wall to kick over. The next step is to be able to do a back walkover, so as you fall back into your bridge, try to kick one leg over at a time.
Told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop.
After you're comfortable with doing the back walkover, try landing it with your legs together.
Even fall asleep until the dawn.
Now do almost the same thing, except this time start your back walkover with your legs together instead of landing it that way. Finally, to do a back limber, combine the last two steps to keep both legs together the entire time. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helps you get your back limber. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!